shines to find to be real. Fake it so I care for the glisten and the glare. And now it's something I'm starting to feel. Eagle eyes, mama, eagle eyes. Inside me, in my sleep it will grow.